Plants Lanka. Today I am going to explain you about Terminalia catappa, Cottamba, Siaman. Can grow in any moderately fertile, well-drained soil in a sunny position. Prefers sands and loamy sands, though it also does well on silts, loam and even clays if the drainage is good. Tolerates saline soil. Prefers soil that are neutral to moderately alkaline and rich in bases. However, it will grow in strongly acid soils, a particularly useful plant for coastal gardens. Being tolerant of salt spray, established plants are drought tolerant. Prefers a pH in the range 5 to 7 but tolerates 4.3 to 8. Plants are fast growing. Some areas and in places have been known to exhibit more or less continuous fruiting. A tree may be yield around 5 kg of kernels per year. There has been some selection in cultivating forms with large seeds. The tree sheds its leaves all at once. Shedding leaves helps trees to conserve water and energy. As unfavorable weather approaches, hormones in the trees trigger the process of abscission, where the leaves are actively cut off the tree by specialized cells. At the start of the abscission process, trees reabsorb valuable nutrients from their leaves and store them for later use in their roots. Chlorophyll, the pigment that gives leaves their green color, is one of the first molecules to be broken down for its nutrients. This is one of the reasons why trees turn red, orange and gold colors during the fall. At the end of the abscission process, when the leaves have been shed, a protective layer of cells grows over the exposed area. Medicinal plants are continuously revolutionizing the face of the earth through all the distinctive benefits they render. Most of these plants contain powerful active compounds that inhibit and cure several ailments. This has led to the increasing global demand for these nature's gifts. Even though most of these plants are very close to us, yet it is so revolutionizing that most of us fail to recognize and exploit them. The leaves can be used for treating and preventing diarrhea, dysentery, cancer, and liver diseases. Awesome benefit of the tropical almond. Edible purpose. Tropical almond can be eaten as a fresh fruit. The fruit shell can be cracked for the edible seeds to be consumed raw. The seed can be eaten alone or used for preparing fruit salad, smoothie or for garnishing dishes. Oil can also be extracted from the dried nuts, which can be used for cooking. Antibacterial activity. We started taking extracts of Terminalia catappa leaf to ascertain its antibacterial and antifungal activity. Method. The results show that the antibacterial activity was more pronounced against bacteria than the fungal strains. Commercially used antibiotics. The wood is red and soil and has high water resistance. The leaves contain several flavonoids Due to this chemical richness, the leaves and the bark are used in different herbal medicines for various purposes. For instance, in Taiwan, fallen leaves are used as an herb to treat liver disease. In Suriname, an herbal tea made from the leaves has been prescribed against dysentery and diarrhea. The leaves may contain agents for prevention of cancers. Although they have no demonstrated anti-carcinogenic properties, the antioxidants as well as anti-clustogenic characteristics. Almonds have numerous health benefits, which include the ability to protect the health of the heart because of the high content of monounsaturated fats. Almonds help in strengthening the bones, protecting the skin, helps in controlling the blood sugar levels, helps in digestion, and helps in boosting circulation. The roots, leaves, seeds, and fruits of almond are generally useful to our health as they can be used in blood glucose regulating abilities in the pancreas of one suffering for diabetics. We have side effects also. It has side effects. Although almonds have a lot of benefits to our health, they also have some side effects which includes excess consumption of almonds can cause constipation and bloating because of its high fiber content. It can also lead to stomach upset. It is not easily digested. That is why you need lots of water while taking it. It can also lead to drug interaction if you are placed on a manganese-rich diet. This is because it is rich in manganese and a high amount of manganese in the body interacts with antibiotics, laxatives, and blood pressure medications. Excess intake of almonds due to its rich in vitamin E can lead to headaches, diarrhea, antibiotics, dizziness. It can also lead to weight gain if consumed excessively because of the high content of fat and calories. So consume less if you are maintaining weight. Almonds are also subjected to harmful bacteria depending on where it is being cultivated, which can lead to health problems if eaten without adequate washing. It also has shown allergies in people, which include breathing difficulties, rashes, and others. Tropical almonds are healthy fruits containing many phytochemical compounds with quality nutritional values. Additionally, it is an edible fruit which can be eaten raw. Thereafter, the nut can be cracked to get out the seeds inside it, which have protein, vitamin E, and many other nutritional potentials on its own. An almond is botanically known as Terminalia catappa. There is no doubt about almond benefits to our health, but taken moderately is very essential. It reduces cholesterol. Both the fruits and seeds of tropical almond fruit contain calcium and have a great effect on reducing the levels of cholesterol in the body. Regular consumption of almonds aids in raising the high density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol level and reduces the low density lipoproteins cholesterol levels. Reduces inflammation. The seed of tropical almond fruit has an oil content that tends to reduce inflammation in the abdominal cavity. Almonds contain two very essential fatty acids which include linoleic and linoleic acids. These two fatty acids help in lowering inflammation all around the body. Fatty acid also aids in reducing LDL cholesterol level, and they improve healthy skin and hair. Before the consumption of almonds will contribute greatly to reducing inflammation in the entire body. Tropical almond nuts are rich source of dietary phosphorus, vitamins, minerals. Phosphorus plays an important role in bone formation and repair of cells in the body. Regular and moderate consumption of tropical almond helps in building a strong bone and teeth due to its richness in phosphorus and vitamins. It improves immune system. Research has shown that the tropical almond fruits contain zinc and manganese, which helps in the proper functioning of the immune system and metabolism of fat and carbohydrate, among others. Manganese and zinc, which is an essential mineral necessary for the development, growth, and normal functioning of our bodies and for the immune system to function properly, are contained in almond, which makes it a good fruit for your health. Tropical almond fruits are rich in fiber contents that prevent the body from certain illness. High intake of fiber helps in reducing the risk of developing various conditions like diabetes, heart disease, constipation, and others. Therefore, regular intake of almond contributes effectively in protecting your health from getting ill and keeps you very healthy. The presence of folic acid in the fruit helps iron present in the almond work properly in the body and reduce birth defects in the newborn, which is an incidence that can be dangerous to babies. It also helps in stimulating healthy tissues formation and cell growth. Doctors normally prescribe a folic acid supplement to women during pregnancy to ensure good development of the tube, thereby keeping mothers and their babies healthy. Intake of this almond is food for pregnant women due to its richness in folic acid. Helps in weight loss. The monosaturated fat that is present in almonds aids in satisfying the appetite and reduce much eating. The dietary fiber found in almonds aids in keeping you full for a long time. Also, the fiber contained in it helps in constant bowel movement, which contributes to weight loss. People who consume almond regularly are more likely to maintain their ideal weight. Therefore, it is advisable that you consume almonds because it goes a long way in contributing to your weight loss. Almonds are rich source of many nutrients that contribute to the proper development of human brain. It is considered to be an essential food for growing children. This fruit contains two important brain nutrients such as riboflavin and carnitine, which helps greatly in increasing brain activity, leading to new neural pathways and lowers the occurrence of Alzheimer's disease. Studies have proved that almonds in the diet and as oil is beneficial to the overall health and proper functioning of the nervous system. Almonds are also beneficial to our skin health. Almond oil massages are normally recommended for newborn babies. It helps in treating skin disease like dermatitis, redness, and other skin diseases. Almond oil is also used in mixing some soap for bathing because of its effectiveness in improving skin complexion. Almonds are rich in fiber, which contributes a lot of preventing constipation. While consuming almonds, it is essential to drink water that will help to speed up the digestive process and the beneficial effects. The amount of fiber contained in 4 or 5 almonds is good enough for regulating the bowel movements and digestive system. Regular consumption of Almond aids a lot of preventing constipation. The presence of potassium in almonds helps in blood pressure regulation and control of blood pressure fluctuation. Other numerous nutrients contained in it also helps in preventing many deficiencies. Balanced minerals and vitamins are needed for a healthy lifestyle, preventing body stress, anxiety, and increased blood pressure. Regular eating of almond will in maintaining good blood. Good blood pressure level. Regulates blood sugar levels. Almonds aids in lowering the conservative rise in insulin and glucose levels after meals. It offers protection of harmful spikes in the blood sugar, which diabetics often suffer from food with unexpected high sugar levels. Eating almonds helps in controlling the processing and glucose absorption, thereby making the process very smooth and safer. Almonds are one of the essential fruit for the control of blood sugar levels. Promotes healthy heart. The presence of monosaturated fats, potassium, and protein in the almond are beneficial for the health of the heart. Also, the presence of magnesium helps in preventing heart attacks, and vitamin E found it in also an effective antioxidant that fights against the risk of heart disease. Almonds help in reducing presence of the C-reactive proteins that causes artery damaging inflammation. It's great source of folic acid. They aid in reducing homocysteine, which leads to fatty plaque increase in the arteries. Almonds are an excellent fruit that contributes greatly to achieving a healthy heart. Regular consumption of almonds aid in enhancing the movement of food through the colon, thereby preventing an increase in colon cancer and its occurrence. Studies have shown that peanut, walnut, and almond consumption has a protective effect on breast cancer development. Therefore, it is good you consume almond regularly, as it helps in reducing the risk of breast cancer, because it contains substance that can prevent cancer and also has antioxidant content. Rich in antioxidant, almonds are known to be a great source of alkaline materials that benefit the strength of the immune system and the ability to prevent various health problems. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, which is an effective and powerful antioxidant. It fights against all the harmful free radicals in the body and removes them before it leads to chronic disease and be very dangerous to the body. Studies have shown that a person who takes high levels of vitamin E is less likely to contract any disease of the heart. Almond is good for your health because it contains an effect on immunity, boosting anti-inflammatory and anti-hepatotoxicity. Almonds have numerous health benefits, which include the ability to protect the health of the heart because of the high content of monosaturated fats. Now you know very much about Terminalia catappa. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this.